So guys, this story is all about 2 days ago when I've clicked a photo of Apple, this one, and I was chilling and trying to edit this in a creative way so that it looks more dope. So as always, I first imported this photo to the Snapseed and then in Lightroom, but I failed maximum of the time. I mean, the result which I want, I'm not getting the perfect result. And you know what? Suddenly, the one tool in PicSart and one tool in Snapseed changed the entire game, and this photo turned into this. So guys, in this video I'll show you what are those tools which I have used. Till then, my name is Devdeep Dev. Hope you all are fit and healthy. And if you have heard my voice first time or you are new in this channel, then you can subscribe my channel if you like my content. So rather wasting our time, let's get started. First of all, let's go to the gallery and import the image in Snapseed. Now, after doing the basic correction, now we'll go to the selective tool and we'll decrease the light of the background. Now we'll crop and rotate the image. And we'll again go to the selective tool and we'll do the same as earlier. Now the important tool which I told in the beginning of the video is that the brush tool. Go to the brush tool and bring the value to -5 and go on decreasing the background light just like this. The main motive of using the selective tool and the brush tool is to decrease the light in the background and give it a black background. Now we play with this tool to bring the black background. Just follow my steps. After that, now we'll import the photo in PicSart and we'll go to the color option and select the hue option. So this was the another tool in the PicSart which I told in the beginning. So now we'll save it. The main motive of doing this was to change the color of apple from red to green to look it more creative one. Now we'll import it in Touch Retouch app to remove the green object from the background. Follow my steps. After removing, now we'll import the picture in Snapseed. As because you can see some white layers in the background making the photo bad. Now we'll use the brush tool again, taking the value as -5 again, we'll brush it. Now you can see the white color has gone. Now it is ready to be imported in Lightroom. Now we'll do basic correction and bring some tones in it. After finish editing in the Lightroom, we'll go to the Lens Distortion app to give lights flare. After that, now we'll import it in Lightroom and we'll give a final touch to it. So this was the way how I edited this. I hope you learned something new from this and it was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then do hit the subscribe button and share it to your friends who edit or who clicks photos. And do follow me on Instagram to see my photographies, videos and many more. Link is in the description. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.